In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Gaomon Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Gaomon Graphic Tablet is a digital drawing tool with a 12 diagonal screen and a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080. It offers a high-pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, making it suitable for detailed and precise work. The tablet comes with a package and is made of plastic, featuring a USB interface. It is certified with CE and is compatible with Windows 7, Mac OS 10.12, and Android 6.0 or above. The working area in PC mode is 10x6, 25 inches, and in phone mode it is 6, 25x3, 5 inches. Additionally, it has a report rate of 266 pps, tilt functionality of bust 60 degree, and a pen reading height of 10 mm. The tablet also includes 8 express keys, 13 multimedia keys, 1 dial, and 1 touch ring for added functionality. The Gaomon tablet is manufactured by a brand of the same name based in mainland China. Number 2. Veikk Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Veikk graphic tablet is a versatile digital tool with a 10.1 diagonal screen size and a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080. It offers a high-pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, making it suitable for detailed and precise work. The tablet, made of quality plastic, comes with a USB interface and is compatible with various systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Android. It also includes a battery-free passive pen, 12 shortcut keys, a quick dial wheel, and various certifications for quality and safety. The package includes a glove, pen stand, and 20 pen nibs, and the tablet comes with a 1-year after-sales service. With a thickness of 9 mm and a report rate of 290 pps, the Veikk graphic tablet is available in red, blue, and gray colors, and is a valuable tool for digital artists and designers. Number 3. XPPen Graphics Drawing Tablet. The XPPen graphic tablet is a 12-inch diagonal screen with 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI. It comes with a P03 passive pen and features an active area of 10x 6.25 inches with a reading height of 10 mm. The tablet, made of ABS material, has a package and weighs 710 g. It has an interface type of USB and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android systems. The product is certified with CE, EAC, FCC, ROHS, and KC, and is equipped with 8 express keys. The XPPen graphic tablet is available in black, pink, and green colors, and is produced by the brand XPPen in mainland China, utilizing electromagnetic digitizer technology. Number 4. Bisofice Graphics Drawing Tablet. The professional graphics tablet offers a 10x 6-inch active area with a resolution of 5,080 LPI and 233 pps report rate, ensuring smooth and accurate painting. The battery-free stylus provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees tilt sensing for a natural drawing experience. With 12 express keys and 10 soft keys, it enhances efficiency and includes 7 specially designed shortcut keys for music. It is compatible with various operating systems and software, making it suitable for art, design, animation, and more. The tablet utilizes battery-free electromagnetic resonance technology and offers a wide range of specifications, including a +0, 5 mm accuracy, +60 degree tilt range, and a working temperature of -5 to 40 degrees Celsius. Additionally, it features a sleek black design and weighs 670 g, providing a versatile and portable drawing tool for various creative applications. Number 5. HUION Kamvas Pro. The HUION Kamvas 4K is a pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 3840 x 2160 and a screen size of 22 inches diagonally. It offers 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, making it suitable for digital art and design work. The tablet has a length of 589.2 mm and a width of 364 mm, with a USB interface. It is certified with CE and features full laminated screen technology using IPS and quantum dots LED. The video interfaces include HDMI, DP, and full-featured USB-C, and it is compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12. The tablet has a report rate of over 220 pps/300 pps, tilt function of bus 60 degrees, and uses the Pentec 3.0 PW517 stylus. Overall, the HUION Kamvas 4K is a versatile and advanced graphic tablet monitor suitable for professional use.